Granite pros and cons. What you should know before you buy. Dear friends, there are very few materials that can match the versatility that granite provides for countertop installation. Granite is a natural stone that you can find in different colors such as pink, white, gray, and black. Granite has a porous surface that can be susceptible to stains. However, you can apply a sealant to keep the stains at bay. Granite is also available in a wide range of patterns along with the different colors that it comes in. The easily accessible variety that granite provides makes it by far the most popular choice for kitchen countertops. What's interesting about granite is that it is a crystallized stone that has been solidified from lava that was once a molten state. As a finished product, granite has a scratch, stain, and heat-resistant surface. When considering granite as a choice for your new kitchen countertop, you should be aware that it is available in two kinds of finishes. The polished finish gives the stone a shiny appearance, and then there's the honing finish, which results in a matte finish. Several factors go into the pricing of granite. Factors such as the color, finish, and the place from which the stone is sourced can all impact the price of granite. Care and maintenance. Stones of all kinds require a certain amount of care and upkeep, and granite is no exception. Choosing granite allows you to enjoy a few granite countertop advantages. Those advantages are a durable and stain-resistant countertop that will last for decades to come, so long as the right amount of care is applied. Taking care of your granite countertop requires that you clean spills immediately. Refrain from using hot water and a sponge as it can harm the surface. Granite cleaner is good to use periodically to protect the counter's sealant. Other granite countertops' advantages center on the fact that granite is a durable and natural stone and therefore does not require placing hot pads underneath your pans, pots, or mugs when these hot items are placed on its surface. However, glasses can cause water rings, so it is a good idea to purchase some coasters. Granite countertops' advantages and disadvantages. Of course, while you're mulling over which countertop is best for you, you should consider what works best for you. Take practical needs into consideration, such as whether your counter is resistant to heat, scratches, and stains. Granite checks off all of these, which means it works well in kitchens and bathrooms. Like anything, granite isn't without any drawbacks. However, there are very few. Granite can be a bit costly when compared to tile and laminate countertops. Additionally, because granite is natural, each granite slab is unique, so it may lack uniformity. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.